So, who wants to go bananas? Not me. Why? You'll see. We are a little bit late to the announcement, but who cares? So, as you can see, starting from June 18th, Mobox has made a partnership with ApeSwap, and 140k bananas have been added to the mining count for a period of 3 months. So in case you guys don't know what bananas are, they're basically the official coin of ApeSwap, just how BNB is for Binance. So let's just do some math for now to see which coin is more profitable. First of all, we want to find out how many dollars we can earn by mining bananas with our total hash power. And what we have to do next is basically multiply our total hash power with the amount of bananas you might receive per day for 100 hash power, and then divide it by 100. And this is the total bananas per day I receive with my total hash power. Next up, we are going to go to CoinMarketCap to find out the value in dollars of our bananas, and all we have to do is just multiply our result with the current price of bananas. And this is the amount of dollars we receive by mining bananas with our total hash power. So it's basically almost 12 cents. So now we're just gonna find out the amount of dollars we will get by mining Mbox. And we pretty much do the same thing. We multiply the total hash power with the amount of Mbox per day you would receive by having 100 hash power, and then we divide it by 100. And to find out the amount of dollars, we just have to multiply it by 0.55, the price of Mbox. And this is the amount of dollars we would receive by mining Mbox. So as you can see, mining Mbox is more profitable than mining bananas. So I just want to be real with you guys. This is the real thing. So if you really want to buy bananas, which I don't recommend you to, but if you do want to buy them, you can just go back to CoinMarketCap and find yourself a good trading platform. I recommend Bitrue because it has high confidence. So what you basically need to do is take your Mbox, swap it in MetaMask into USDT, then transfer your USDT to Bitrue and just buy bananas. Even though I don't recommend them, but if you're stubborn, you can just do that. It's okay. Or you could just go to North Korea and buy bananas for $45 per kilo, but I don't guarantee the fact that you might be coming back, so just do it at your own risk. So now, stay tuned because I have a bonus for you. The bonus consists of chest openings because I have recently bought 8 keys and I just want to open the chest with you guys and kind of show you what I got. So in case you consider buying keys right now, I believe that it's a really great moment to do that because the price of keys is really low, so you should just take advantage of that. Now I'll just skip a couple of minutes because I've had a lot of failed transactions. I have no idea why. So let's just get to the opening part. And it should be somewhere like here, 140 and something. Let's just... Okay, and this is the part where we are buying the keys. As you can see, I'm setting the gas price and everything. So we'll just have to wait a little bit. So I'm just gonna set the gas price to 10 and then confirm it. And hopefully it works because I've tried this before and it has gotten me a lot of failed transaction, which is really annoying if it happens like multiple times. And I've just skipped a little bit more until I got to the part when this thing actually lets me buy my keys. So hopefully it works because I don't want to skip the entire video to get to the part where I have my keys. So fingers crossed. We'll just have to wait a little bit. Come on, guys. I need this. Finally, confirm transaction. Now we just have to go to the chest section to unlock our chests and see what we got. Hopefully a rare one or like an epic or who knows. Something that is really, really nice. Okay, so now we just have to unlock our chests. Hopefully this won't annoy me as well, and it will work a lot smoother than the key part. I'm just gonna confirm this. I don't even care. If you're gonna do tricks on me, I'm gonna be mad. I really want my chest to be opened, because I'm really curious about what I got. Confirm transaction, that's what I thought. What? No, not this. I need to open them, not unlock them. Okay, but what the hell? Where are my chests? I'm just gonna refresh this. Hopefully they gave me my chest. I mean, if they didn't, I'm gonna make a big fuss out of it. Cause it seems like it's still like 0, but okay. So let me just set the amount. And unlock them pretty much. And another gas fee, because why not? Take my money, guys. Just make me poor. Let me just try and change this a little bit. No? Come on. Wonder if it works. Of course it didn't. Of course, because, as I said, you want to take my money. What should I do now? What is wrong with that button? Like, it shouldn't look like that. Let me just refresh it again. And go back to the chat. And try again. And hopefully it works. Again. Fees. I wonder, should I change something or just leave it as it is? Is it worth it to try? Yeah, maybe. Please work, cause I'm tired. I just want to see my babies. Fingers crossed, guys. Hopefully this works. So nope. Not again. I'm just gonna leave that as it is, probably. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave that transaction as it is. I'm not gonna change the fee anymore, I swear to God. And again, like, this is really testing my patience. I'm just gonna leave it as it is, like, honestly. I won't even bother. Is this gonna work? It has to work, like, honestly. Come on. Come on. Yeah, you really wanted my money, right? Okay, let's just see what we got. And these are my rares. Wow. This is not what I expected. Like, look at this team. It's pretty much pathetic, but I guess it's great. Like, what are these? Look at their faces. They look so weird. But hey, I mean, you should always be grateful for whatever you get, you know? Look at this guy. He's so cute. Look at them. These are my babies, guys. These are my workers. So yeah. Maybe I'll have better luck next time. Look at them flying and making me money. Hi guys, hello. And that's about it for today, guys. Hope this video was useful in some sort of way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And in case you have any questions or video suggestions, you can just leave them in the comments down below. I will check every single comment. And until next time, I hope you have an amazing day.